Hello and welcome to AI Data House YouTube channel. Today, we'll kick off our series on how you can boost your business with a project tracking app on AppSheet. We'll give you a quick introduction to AppSheet and project tracking in this video. So, what is AppSheet? AppSheet is a no-code platform designed to help you create powerful business applications. It's particularly useful for small to medium-sized businesses looking to streamline their operations and improve efficiency. And a project tracking app? It's an application that streamlines project management, making it easier for teams to collaborate and work more productively. One of its key advantages is the ability to provide real-time visibility into the progress of projects, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Why should you choose AppSheet for project tracking? It's all about its user-friendly interface, the flexibility it offers, and its scalability. Plus, it's a cost-effective solution, which is always a bonus for businesses of all sizes. In this series, we'll be diving into the key features of our AppSheet project tracking app. We'll be looking at things like customizable views, robust data handling, dynamic dashboards, real-time collaboration, automated workflows, and secure user permissions. And here's what's coming up in this series. We'll begin with setting up the basic structure of app fields in Google Sheets. Next, we'll populate the sheets with some sample data. Then, we'll let AppSheet build an initial app for us. We'll move on to customizing the app to suit your business needs. We'll cover how to solve common problems you might encounter during app development. We'll also talk about how to give access to your team members. Lastly, we'll touch on how to implement your branding within the app. So, are you ready to join us on this journey? If so, be sure to subscribe for more AppSheet content. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share with other business owners. Lastly, we'd love to hear your thoughts or questions, so feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for tuning in, and we're looking forward to seeing you in our next video.